If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2016 Nissan Rogue SL in pearl white. With fully automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 42,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5620A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.